Welcome back to Solving Factory. In today's video, let me show you how you can download The Sims 4 on your PC and laptop. First, open up a browser on your PC or laptop and navigate to this site. After that, go to the top right where it says Play for Free. Next, select EA app for Windows. Once it loads, scroll down and select Download the EA app. Save the EA app installer to your computer, and then open up that installer. Now, once the EA app is installed, you need to sign into your EA account. Once you've signed in, download and install The Sims 4. Search for The Sims 4 in the search bar at the top. You should see it right there. Select it and press download. After that, it's going to create the download options. You don't need to change anything here. So select next and then download. Now it's going to download The Sims 4 on your PC. And there you go, you can now play The Sims 4. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.